The Hinyotrap Youth Council today expressed its disappointment on the statement stated by Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong and also terming it as unacceptable to the organization as to how and why an error might occur in the RTI presented to the Deputy Chief Minister. The president of HYC, Roy Kupar Sinram, said that the RTI was provided to them by the concerned department, that is the Shillong Municipal Board, and to say that SMB is providing information which is untrue, then the concerned officer will have to take whole responsibility on this matter.
The statement given by the Deputy CM yesterday that he will be sending it again to the SMB and to the Urban Affairs Department to re-verify, it is a joke in one way, because how can he send our representation to the same department which has replied to our RTI? I mean, how will that change? Will they change the data now? Will they change the facts now? If they do that, then they'll be in more trouble, because how can you make a person who is not an employee of SMB after we have raised this issue, now they'll say that he is an employee of the SMB, which is not possible. But at the end of the day, the people knows we have raised this question, this issue from the beginning, and we're sticking to our demands, to our opinions.